Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. So we're gonna be doing something a little bit different today. I was watching Unstoppable Morgan on YouTube, and she put out a giveaway challenge for anybody who can change out a shock the fastest. So I have a 93 F-150. Some of you guys know that. So it should be a similar setup to her Bronco. So I have a shock here. I believe it's the same one that she took off on her Bronco, so it should be a pretty fair comparison. I'll be using hand tools just like she used, and because she didn't specify if you can use hand tools or power tools, so I'm just going to do the same thing she did, is just using hand tools. So yeah, we'll get started. The shock hasn't been taken off in 6-7 years. This truck has a 6-inch lift on it, so that was the last time I changed the shocks. So let's get started. Start now. Alright, so I don't have another shock to replace it, so let's set that back on the ground, and we're going to put this one back in. Alright, stop. Finished. Alright. Well, so I'll find out my time at the end of the video. Once I edit this, and I'm going to send that video over to you, Morgan. Have a good rest of your day. Thank you.